Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am on Lekki Epe Expressway. I'll be showing you the construction happening right here from Eleko right to Epe T Junction. The road is being made with concrete reinforcement. As you can see the iron mesh on the road. So follow me, let me show you this road construction as we move from Eleko to Epe T Junction. The ongoing construction of Lekki to Epe T Junction was flagged off on the 1st of November 2020 by the Governor of Lagos State, and the project's duration is 20 months. The road is 18.75 km stretching from Eleko to T Junction in Epe. This road was constructed in 1981 as a single carriageway, but there was an upgrade to a two-lane carriageway in 2006. As a result of population growth and increase in vehicular traffic, the condition of the road became deplorable before this construction started. This road is being constructed with concrete pavements because the area is flood prone. As a result, the best option is going the concrete way. The construction of this road will have reinforced concrete drains, culverts, median barriers, installation of traffic lights, landscaping, installation of street lights. There is also preservation of rail line corridor with 50-meter right of way for future purpose, and also there will be a dedicated truck lane. It is a 6-lane road. On other side there will be 3 lanes, 2 lanes for cars, while the last lane is for heavy duty vehicles. This road will serve as template for construction of road leading towards the Dangote refinery, Lekki port and the Lagos free zone. This is done in order not to have a repeat of Apapa problem in this axis. The second phase, when awarded, will be from Eleko Junction to Abraham Adesanya, which is 26.7 km stretch. As you can see from this video, this section of road has been done, so we can see it. The concrete pavement has already been done for this section of the road. So guys, sit down, relax and watch the level of work that has been done on this road all the way to T Junction in Epe. I'll be taking you guys to T Junction in Epe so we can see the level of work that has been done on this road. So guys, let's go.
one